Living in Clermont comes with the beauty of Florida's warm climate and scenic neighborhoods, but it also means facing the reality of severe storms and hurricane threats. Protecting your home from high winds and flying debris is essential, and one of the smartest investments you can make is installing impact-resistant windows. These specially designed windows offer a level of protection that traditional glass simply can't match, making them an excellent choice for homeowners who want safety, durability, and peace of mind. Built to withstand high winds and debris, the biggest risk during storms is when strong winds break windows, allowing pressure to build inside your home. This can lead to serious structural damage, even causing roofs or walls to fail. Impact-resistant windows are engineered to prevent this. Made with laminated glass, 2 layers of glass bonded with a durable interlayer, these windows don't shatter into dangerous shards when hit. Even if the glass cracks, the interlayer holds it in place, keeping your home sealed against wind and rain. For Clermont homeowners, this is critical during hurricane season, when flying debris can turn ordinary windows into a major hazard. Protection against water intrusion. Broken or poorly sealed windows can allow water into your home during storms, leading to mold, rot, and costly repairs. Impact-resistant windows provide a tight seal and resist breakage, keeping rain and moisture outside where they belong. This is especially important in Clermont's humid climate, where even minor leaks can cause long-term damage. Enhanced security. Year-round storm protection is just the beginning. Because impact-resistant windows are so durable, they also add another layer of security to your home. The same laminated glass that resists storm debris also makes it extremely difficult for intruders to break in. For Clermont families, that means added safety and peace of mind every day, not just during storm season. Energy efficiency benefits. In addition to strength and security, impact-resistant windows improve your home's energy efficiency. Their layered construction provides superior insulation, helping keep cool air in during Clermont's hot summers and warm air in during the cooler months. By reducing heat transfer, these windows ease the burden on your HVAC system and help lower utility bills. This combination of storm protection and energy savings makes impact-resistant windows a smart, long-term investment. Noise reduction. For a quieter home. Another benefit Clermont homeowners appreciate is noise reduction. The thick, laminated design of impact-resistant windows dampens outside noise, whether it's traffic, lawn equipment, or storm winds. This creates a quieter, more comfortable indoor environment, perfect for families seeking peace in busy neighborhoods. Boosting property value and curb appeal. Upgrading to impact-resistant windows doesn't just protect your home, it also enhances its look and value. Modern window designs are available in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes, so you can choose options that complement your home's architecture. Potential buyers in Clermont also see these windows as a premium feature, knowing they offer safety, efficiency, and storm protection. This makes your home more attractive on the market if you ever decide to sell. Final thoughts for Clermont residents. Storms are a fact of life, but damage doesn't have to be. Impact-resistant windows provide superior protection against high winds, flying debris, and water intrusion, all while improving energy efficiency, security, and comfort. They are more than just windows. They're a safeguard for your family, your property, and your peace of mind. If your current windows are outdated or vulnerable, now is the perfect time to upgrade. With professional installation, impact-resistant windows can help you weather any storm while enjoying year-round benefits in comfort, savings, and safety.